Hi nail friends, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I created this beautiful glow-in-the-dark dip powder nail design using Model 1's dip powder. If you are new to my channel, I'm Cherael, bringing you the best tips and tricks for making your nails look beautiful and fabulously done at home. For more content just like this, make sure to subscribe and click on the bell so you won't miss any of my videos. The products I'll be using today are Pro Dip Silver Dip Powder and these two Model 1's glow-in-the-dark dip powder. I've already applied my tips and buffed my nails, and now I'm just applying Cherael Sky Bond to dehydrate my nails. If you don't have any bond, you can also use rubbing alcohol. They both do the same thing. Now I'm applying clear acrylic powder to my nails. So I apply base to the center of my nail and then dip into the clear powder. I'm using acrylic powder because it's very grainy and not super clear, so I decided to use it to build my nails. And then I would use the clear dip powder to encapsulate my nails. However, I noticed that the clear dip powder was also kind of grainy. I don't know why it was grainy. This isn't the first time it happened. It happened, I think, last time I used it too. I really don't understand why, but you know, sometimes some clear aren't really super clear, and plus we use the clear too often, so sometimes it gets contaminated. So that could be a factor in why it came out grainy. It's probably because it's contaminated. This step is also an optional step, but I really like to do it because it protects my natural nails as well as a way to build my nails. And as you can see here, I'm now applying base to the whole nail and then dipping it into the clear acrylic. Starting on the pinky nail, I apply base to the whole nail and then I angle my finger into the orange dip powder. I did a chevron moon design where the tip is a different color to the base. I did 3 layers, but I only showed 2 layers. Please ensure that you keep your finger in the dip powder for about 5 seconds before moving on to the other side. This ensures that the powder gets time to attach to the base before moving on, but don't wait too long. Now, onto the ring finger, I apply base to the whole nail and then I dip it into the green dip powder at an angle and then into the silver and then into the orange dip powder. I really liked how this color block design came out. I especially liked how it looked with the glow-in-the-dark dip powder. So I did 3 layers, but I only showed 2 layers. So right there, some of the silver glitter went on the orange area there, so I just kind of moved it over with the cuticle pusher. Now onto the middle finger, I did a chevron color block nail design with all of the colors. I also did about 3 layers, but I only showed 2. If you're getting value from this video, hit the like button below and comment your thoughts on the design as well. And don't forget to subscribe to get the best tips and tricks for making your nails look beautiful and fabulously done at home. When doing this design or any color block design, don't be alarmed if the powder doesn't attach to the nail, because sometimes the base glue will dry up on you while doing it. And also remember, you have 3 layers in order to get full opacity, so you could get it on the second layer and the third layer. So just ensure that you get to full opacity on the second or third layer. As you can see here, on the second layer I got to full opacity, so just note that happens sometimes. Now onto the index finger, I did another color block design. I did 3 layers, but I only showed 2. In this design, the orange dip powder was my favorite. Something about the green dip powder I really didn't like that much, because it kind of bleed onto the silver dip powder a little. It really did, but it wasn't that noticeable. This orange dip powder really looks red on camera, but it is orange. So as you can see, when I dipped into the silver dip powder, it left some residue on the orange area. So all you have to do is just lightly buff that off of the nail, because as you know, glitter gets everywhere, so it just decided to attach to the orange area. Sometimes that cannot be helped, because it's glitter. It will get everywhere, anywhere, wherever you want it to get. If you don't want it to get there, it will still get there. So you just have to work around that. Now onto the thumbnail, I did another color block design. This one I just thought up in my head, and it was very unique. I don't even understand what the hell I did, but it looked good, especially when the glow activated. It looked really nice, but to the naked eye it doesn't look all that, but I just wanted to try something new. Sometimes designs come to my head and I just decide to try it, spur of the moment type of things, and this was one of them. It came out nice, it's super unique. It's like sometimes I have to wonder what the hell is that, but it's nice, it's different. It's like art, like Picasso. You don't question it, you just look at it and be like, oh, that's art, it's amazing. So don't question it, okay? I also did 3 layers, but I only showed 2 layers. Now I encapsulated all of the nails. I did 3 layers, but I only showed 1 layer. When I was finished and I filed, I noticed that there were fine bubbles in the nail, and that was due to the clear dip powder. Sometimes this just happens. This cannot be avoided because we use clear dip powder to encapsulate everything, so could be contamination was a result of this. So yeah. Do you guys see my art piece? That thumb is art. Then I applied activator, waited for it to harden, and then I began filing. So this is after filing of the nails. Now I have a choice as to whether I want to apply dip powder top coat or gel top coat, and I chose gel top coat. Now if you wanted to choose the powder top coat, you would apply some activator, wait a while, apply one layer of top coat with about 3 quick strokes, then wait about 1 minute and apply another layer of top coat with slow and nice strokes. However, since I'm using gel, I do not have to apply activator. I just go in with the top coat and I cure for 60 seconds. So when the nails cooled down, I applied some cuticle oil. And this is the finished look. So if you like this video, you're going to want to check out my other videos on dip powder. Click the videos you see on the screen and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye guys!